creating stunning, lifelike videos from just a simple idea, no expensive software, no long hours of editing, and best of all, it's completely free. AI video generation is advancing fast, and today, Haiper AI has just launched version 2.0, taking things to a whole new level. Along with major improvements to their text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video models, Haiper AI 2.0 also introduces some impressive new features. You can now change expressions in any video, make people dance, transform yourself into animals, and even make two separate images interact, like hugging each other. These are just a few possible examples, with many more options to explore. So let's dive in and see what Haiper AI 2.0 can do. If you're interested in AI, you've probably heard of Haiper AI. As always, we've already created a detailed video covering the basics. But if you're new here, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. Here's a look at their website, where if we scroll down, you'll see some of the fun new templates they've introduced. We'll explore each one in detail later on. First, let's start with their text-to-video model. Here you can choose between two versions, the new Haiper 2.0 model or the original. Let's try a sample prompt: a young man with headphones and a backpack, standing at a crosswalk on a lively Seoul street at twilight. There's also an enhance option that adds extra details to your prompt automatically. After hitting create, you'll get to see the model in action. Like most AI video tools, Haiper AI offers free credits, so you can try it out for yourself. Alright, here's the first output. When we play the video, it has a very stylized look, but it lacks much realism. The video quality is decent overall, though it's in slow motion, and doesn't have the natural detail we'd expect from tools like Learnify AI. Still, it's a good start. One thing you might notice is a bit of distortion, particularly around the lips, where there's some morphing near the teeth, as well as some minor inconsistencies around the eyes. The next video, however, turned out much better. It has a more realistic and cinematic feel. I used one of my go-to prompts, a moody cinematic shot of a detective in a long trench coat and fedora, walking down a dimly lit, rain-soaked street with hazy streetlights, casting shadows around him. This prompt has worked really well for me in the past. Though the video quality is still a bit low, Haiper AI has a built-in upscaler, which we'll test out soon. Looking at the movement, you'll notice the hands blend a little as the character walks, but aside from that, the overall look is impressive and visually appealing. Today, I'm testing a fun video featuring a panda holding and playing a guitar. It's a pretty amazing clip, and the quality looks good. I'll go ahead and download it so we can upscale and enhance it. Let's head back to the homepage, hit the Explore button, and check out the video enhancer. Here we'll upload our video and start the upscaling process. Let's see what results we get. Alright, here's the upscaled version of the video. The quality is noticeably improved now in 1080p, which looks impressive. It didn't fix all the minor glitches, but the clarity boost is definitely a win. Now, before moving forward, I want to thank each of you for being part of this community. We've just reached 7,000 subscribers, and now we're setting our sights on 20,000. I also noticed that only 8.7% of viewers are subscribed, while 91% aren't yet part of the channel. If you found any of my videos helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Your support makes a huge difference. Now let's get back to our topic. Focusing on image to video, go ahead and select the image to video model. Here you'll notice we have an option to upload up to 3 different frames, similar to Luma AI or Kling AI. However, this multi-frame feature is still coming soon. Currently, we only have access to a single image. So, let's upload this selfie image. I'm going to set the prompt as a beautiful woman taking a selfie with the enhanced prompt option enabled. Then, hit create. Alright, here's the result. To be honest, I'm genuinely impressed with the outcome. You can see the woman smiling, and even though her teeth weren't visible in the input image, the AI added realistic looking teeth. This is very well done, no issues with the teeth, no problems with the lips. While there's a slight hint that it's AI generated, the overall quality of the output is truly impressive. Obviously, this tool is not yet at the level of other video generation tools like Runway and similar platforms. However, it's a major improvement over the previous model. The earlier version could only generate videos that were 2 seconds long, and the video quality wasn't very good. In this version, though, there are a lot of enhancements. Now, here's another image to video output. This one is an animation video with a slow motion effect. The good news is that we don't see any morphing effect with the eyes. The woman is looking straight into the camera, blinking slightly, and the result looks very natural. Now, here's another output where I typed close up in the prompt section. You can see some light reflections on her glasses, and it looks very realistic. Next, there's another output showing her walking down a street in New York. It's a well-made video. At times her eyes look down, but then she glances at the front camera, adding a natural touch. In this next output, there are two beautiful women in one image, each with a different expression, one smiling and the other serious. What's impressive is that this variation happens naturally, just like with real cameras. In another image, a woman is partially soaked in water, appearing as if she's stuck, with water spreading slightly around her. Now, let's move on to the video-to-video feature. For example, let's start with a video and use it as an in-painting option. Here, you'll see a vary region option. By clicking on it, we get the option to select objects within the video. You can choose the main subject, the background, or any specific element you want to change. Let's go ahead and change the main subject of this video, typing in a handsome man as the prompt. Let's see what we get. Alright, here's the output, and you can see that the main subject has been replaced by this man. It resembles a style transfer feature, as it's added some stylization and modified the background as well. Now, moving on to the templates, you'll notice there are several available. You can even swap body movements within a video. Scrolling down, we have an example featuring a dancing woman. In this template, they've swapped the face, applying your face onto hers for a seamless result. Here you can also swap your face easily. Just click here, choose this template, and replace your face with the ladies. Next, go to the search bar and type in viral hugging video, or feel free to search for anything you like. Let's try the viral hugging video. Hit create, and we'll need to upload two separate images. In the ideas section, there are some pre-made images available. Let's select one of these and set it to hug our uploaded image. Alright, there we have it, two people hugging each other after a long time. Regarding the video quality, there is a bit of a morphing effect when they're holding each other, but aside from that, it's a pretty decent video. It's the kind of effect that's more for fun, and I think it serves that purpose well. Here we have another fun template where you can transform yourself into any animal. For example, this woman has been turned into a cat. Let's give it a try. I'll use my already generated images again, select this model, and hit create. Alright, here's the output video. It's not only well done, but also pretty funny. These kinds of videos perform great on social media, generating high engagement. You can easily try this with your own images, or even swap in actors or anyone else. The possibilities are up to you, and it's a really cool feature. Inside the hot section, there are even more templates for you to explore, featuring some of the top trending options. You can experiment with meme templates, dancing effects, and many others. These are mostly for fun, but you can create some fantastic content here. This was a quick walkthrough of Haiper 2.0. You can try out different templates, create videos where people hug each other, or even have them kiss. There's a lot of creative, fun potential with this model. That wraps up our Haiper AI 2.0. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. If you want to watch Flux Pulled, the best way to use it free, AI image generator tutorial. Click on the left. If you're interested in earning from AI model, create AI influencer, Shaker AI, Flux One Pro tutorial image generator. Click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.